Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a simple tomato dal recipe. It's made with yellow moong dal. Very easy to make and full of healthy nutrients and proteins. It goes extremely well with some hot rice and a dollop of ghee on it. Hope you like it. Let's look at the ingredients. I have taken here about 2 cups of cooked moong dal and I have cooked it in cooker, 1 medium tomato, some curry leaves, 2 to 3 garlic cloves and 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. With the help of a masher, I am just going to mash the cooked dal for a few seconds like this and keep it on the side. In a pot, add about 4 to 5 teaspoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, drop the cumin seeds and as they start to crackle, add the crushed garlic, chili and the curry leaves. Be very careful as you do it since the oil is very hot. Mix it well. After frying for a few seconds, add the turmeric powder and the chopped tomatoes. Mix it well. The aroma of the garlic, tomatoes and curry leaves is simply amazing. So just fry it for a minute or two and we are going to cover it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes till the tomatoes become soft. Give it a quick stir. Notice that the tomatoes have become soft and break easily with the spoon. Now add the cooked moong dal and add the cup of water. You can add more water for the consistency that you like. Add some salt to taste. And I've also added some jaggery, but this is optional. Mix everything really well. Let the flame be on medium and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes without the lid. Give it a stir in between just to make sure that the dal doesn't stick to the bottom. It's done. Switch off the flame and garnish with some cilantro. Mix it well and serve hot. This tomato dal is full of nutrients and light on digestion. It goes very well with a side of some white rice or even a roti. Add a dollop of ghee on it to enhance its taste. If you're on a diet, you can just have it as a simple soup. Hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.